got the tractor split and got her wheeled apart a little bit here. Gonna get ready to start pulling some things apart here on the clutch so that I can get some parts ordered. And you can see this thing's pretty well wore out. Why I got it apart, I'm going to be doing a new thrust bearing, and we'll take this all apart and clean it up. I'm going to pull the torque tube off because I do want to replace, here you can see down in there, and I do want to replace the hydraulic drive shaft seal. That's leaking pretty bad on this, and also the transmission input seal is leaking, so I want to get those both repaired and new seals in there. I don't know what's behind the flywheel, how the main seal is on the engine. We'll take a look at that. It does look like it might be a little wet back there, but not 100% sure if the rear main is leaking. Looks a little damp back there, but we'll evaluate it once we get the flywheel off and take a good look at it. I'll see if I can get the light in here and you can see the seals on the hydraulic drive shaft and the transmission input shaft. You can see them are pretty wet back there, so we're gonna get that those taken care of, and we'll get everything all cleaned up. That's got a lot of years of dirt and grime on it. I got the gas tank ready to come off, so we're gonna take that off, and then I'll use the overhead hoist to get the torque tube off. So thought I'd just do a quick video on the splitting of the tractor, and it went really well. I just jacked the splitting stand up and down on the wheels to get things as level as I could get them, and then when I started loosening the screws, I would get them so I could loosen them by finger by jacking the splitting stand around. So it worked out pretty good. I'm happy with how it worked out. It'll probably be a different story putting it back together, but hopefully it goes as nice as it did pulling it apart. Well, here it is. I got the pressure plate and clutch out, and you know, I'm not 100% sure what a new clutch looks like, but I'm a little surprised. I expected to see the clutch material all wore down to nothing. The clutch wasn't slipping. I was just out of all adjustment, and I'm thinking that where my trouble was is in these the little fingers that actuate the clutch. They seem to be wore down really far, but here again, I don't know what an original one looks like. I've never had a clutch out of an H before, so, and the flywheel doesn't look all, you know, burnt up and cracked or anything, but I probably will still get that remachined. There's a local fellow one town away from me that has a nice machine shop, and I'll have him resurface all that for me and maintain this distance here between the flywheel and where the pressure plate mounts on. So that's what she looks like right now. Not exactly what I expected to get out of there, but all in all, we're going to put a new clutch and pressure plate in it. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.